Hi guys, today's lessons are in math and science, so I'll take you through both of them today. And I'll start with math. Click into the math course, go to the lessons. We are still in chapter 10. Today is the 21st. Okay, we'll open up. You will have the link as well as the discussion question. Okay, have your math books ready, or the page, or even just a notebook to copy it down. I know some of you still don't have the big book. Not a big deal. Here's today's math lesson. You're on lesson 10.5. We're still doing graphing. This is making a bar graph to show data. So now you're going to have the data, or you're going to collect the data, and you're going to create a bar graph to match it. Click on your big book so that you can see the pages here. If you can't get this to open, just pause my screen as I show you the pages, and you'll be able to write your answers down. 485. Okay, use the bar graph to solve the problem. Draw or write to show what you did. Okay, if you go down to the bottom, you'll see the teacher's part. Barry made this bar graph. How many writing tools are in the box? So we have chalk, crayons, markers, and pencils. The numbers are along the side. Don't mind Penny squeaking her toy. She thinks it's playtime right now. Each of these are a type of writing tool, so you need to put them together and write down your answer. Okay, if we go to the next page, Abel read 2 books, Brad read 4 books, Kara read 1 book, and Lynn read 3 books. Complete the bar graph to show this data. Now you can use colors, you can use a pencil, that's fine. If you notice here though, Kara and Lynn are not graphed yet. You have to use the information over here in the box. Okay, and down here, they give you some information, and it says Ella's making a bar graph to show the kinds of pets her classmates have. 5 classmates have a dog, she graphed that part. 7 classmates have a cat, 2 classmates have a bird, 3 classmates have fish. Write labels and draw bars to complete the graph. Here's the labels here. Labels need to be put on graphs so that we know exactly what we're looking at. Dog, cat, bird, and fish. Those are a type of pet. And these are the number of classmates. If you notice here, this one's the number of books. It depends what you're using and who you've asked. Okay, and our title would be our pets. All right, so there's 3 main things you have to make sure you label, as well as filling in the graph. How will the graph change if one more child gets a bird? Okay, you'll tell me what's going to happen there. You have to fill this in, trace over the words, and then tell me what could happen. So then here's the next page. They give you the information up here, and you have to make the whole bar graph yourself. Okay, draw the bars, fill in your information on the sides. Dexter asks his classmates which pizza topping is their favorite. Right here is where you could find all your information in that one sentence for what you're going to label. So, favorite pizza toppings could be your title. Classmates would be down here because the classmates are what you're counting. So you can put classmates. And on the side, or number of classmates, sorry. And on the side, you'll put toppings because peppers, meat, mushrooms, and olives are all types of toppings. And then you're going to fill in them to match. 4 classmates chose peppers, 7 classmates chose meat, 5 classmates chose mushrooms, and 2 classmates chose olives. Which topping did the most classmates choose? Well, once you fill in your graph, you can check that out. And down here it says, did more classmates choose peppers and olives than meat? You need to put peppers and olives together. Peppers and olives, put them together, see how much they equal, and compare that to meat. And you're going to tell me yes or no. And then tell me how you know that. Tell me what you did, okay? Or tell me the numbers you used. And then on the back, we have Cody. He asked his classmates which zoo animal is their favorite. Right there is exactly where your labels are. Classmates is the numbers. Zoo animal. And up the top, favorite zoo animal is your title. Here's your information. 6 chose bear, 4 chose lion, 7 chose tiger, 3 chose zebra. Write the title and labels and draw the bars, so that means you have to fill them in using the numbers. How many more classmates chose bear than zebra? That's a comparing problem. How many fewer classmates chose lion than classmates that chose other zoo animals? So lion is on its own. I noticed that lion is 4. Other animals would be bear, tiger, zebra. Those 3 get put together. How many less is the lion compared to those 3 put together? That's what the hot problem is. And then this one also has to do with the bar graph. Look at the bar graph. Which animal did the most classmates choose? Okay, and that's your last page because then the next lesson will be for next week. So if we go back in, You also have 231 and 232 in your skinny book. Okay, similar situation that you're working with the bar graphs. Let's see, map on the spot, video that goes exactly with this, and then Khan Academy allows you to make bar graphs as well. Okay, you can click on the links and then submit your work to the discussion question. Okay, and we'll go into science now. Actually, let's go to the math. I'll show you the discussion question. I believe I have a picture of a graph and I'm asking you questions to answer it. Yeah, how many police cars and airplanes were seen? So what vehicles do you see? Okay, you can use 2 fingers to zoom in if you need to. I know it's a little bit blurry, but we have police car, ambulance, race car, train, truck, fire engine, airplane. The question says how many police cars and airplanes were seen. Use the graph and then tell me your answer. There were blank police cars and airplanes seen. Okay, now we can go into science. We are still doing butterflies. Not for long. We're getting really close to the end. All right, we're on Thursday. Okay, the PowerPoint. You need to have a notebook ready or a blank document. Okay, you're going to click on the PowerPoint for it to load. I have mine here. We will go into presentation mode, or slideshow mode, sorry. All right, first task. You have 6 tasks today. First task, there's a link. Click on it. Remember what I said, if it doesn't load, give it some time, go to the next task and come back. Okay, 7 fun facts about butterflies.
Hey kids!
All right, so just follow along with this video. Oops, I think I'd have this down by now. Okay, you're going to read about this. Read the facts. Butterfly. While in the chrysalis, the caterpillar becomes an adult butterfly. This is called metamorphosis. That's a big word. The chrysalis cracks open and the butterfly climbs out. Soon it will lay eggs and the life cycle starts again. Lots of facts over here. Okay, a lot of it you probably know. If some of you may have the butterfly cages at home, you might have ordered them on Amazon. If you don't have any, or if you're looking for food for when they come out, painted lady butterflies enjoy eating oranges, watermelon, other fruits, and sugar water. Okay, you can just put it in a little tiny bowl. Not too deep though, because they could drown. Just a tiny, tiny bit. Okay. 3 interesting facts about butterflies from here as well as here. Okay, so these go together. This one you're reading. This one you're going to continue reading, but you're going to write them down. Okay, the parts of the butterfly here. All right, this is a continuation. Draw a picture of the 4th stage of the butterfly's life cycle and label it with the title and body parts. Okay, there's a side view and then a dorsal view, which is like over top. And we have antenna, compound eye, proboscis, thorax, abdomen, legs, and wing. You notice some of the body parts have changed from the caterpillar. Okay, and the legs, if you look over, oh yeah, they have them here too. The legs are no longer the pro legs, it's the true legs. Okay, and it also has the 3 body parts. It has head, thorax, abdomen, similar to the caterpillar. It's almost like a mini caterpillar body with wings attached to it. It kind of still looks like that. All right, answer questions 1 through 6. You're going to read the story, butterfly or moth. All right, short story, answer these questions. This will also be your discussion question. So once you write these down, you will use them again in your discussion question. It says 1 through 6, but it should actually just be 5. No big deal. All right, here's their 6th task. Practice the song, butterfly rap. And this rap actually gives you the information about it, the entire thing. I remember every time I would give the butterfly test to my previous 2nd graders, they were always singing this song in their head to help them remember, because almost every question on the test, you could find the answer just in this song. Okay, so then this is finished. And like I said, the discussion question will be from what you read. Okay, if you can't get into it, I did post it again so you can see it. This one, though, we're just asking for 1 through 4. Okay, you're just going to tell me the number and then put the letter next to it. Number 5 won't be on here. All right, and I have it listed here. If you have any questions, please email me and I will help you. I hope you guys have a great day and have a wonderful long weekend. And then when we come back next Tuesday, we will have 4 days of school left, and that is it. Okay? I'll talk to you tomorrow. Well, next week. See ya.